Patulog na sana ako mga karag-karag, katatapos ko lang di maghilamos, katatapos ko lang maglinis ng katawan. Tapos biglang dumaan sa aking social media itong pa-eksena galore pa live ng Team Myanmar, ang kanilang national director at ang kanilang drama queen na kandidata mga karag-karag sa kanyang natural look. Natural look. Parang si Kuragan menopausal distraction look agad ako sa palok ni Myanmar. Kita nyo naman, para kami magkakambal sa di ba? Isang magandang gabi sa inyong lahat mga karag-karag mula dito sa Lasak City. Ay nako, case close na natin to mga karag-karag. Ito nga mga drama queen sa Myanmar na kung saan ako nag-release na sila ng kanilang statement na kung saan, watch this.
Okay, final is like I'm not controlled by anyone. I just take my own decision. I give back my second runner-up crown just because of we don't get what we deserve. Like our national costume prize, our country power of the year, not the winner crown. I'm not blaming on my sisters. I love India, I love Philippines. They're my best sister of all the time. I don't blame them. I'm just saying our national costume prize and our country power of the year, not the winner crown. I'm not taking on it. Today choose some crown, the crown. Todayပြောချင်တာလေအကုန်လုံးပြောပြီး
Magiging reaction ko sa kanya mga karag-karag, girl, my English is limited edition. I don't want to waste it for you, but maybe you can watch my video and maybe you will be lightened up. Shit, Kuragan. Continue, Day. You're still young. You have still a potential to join another beauty pageant, especially Miss Earth. Gosh, did you hear your answer in the Miss Grand International? Girl, you have a guts to join Miss Earth pageant. Who knows, in that pageant you will you will have your luck to win the crown in Miss Earth, but you must to sharpen your vocabulary and metabolism, because Miss Earth is just not a pageant. It's a brainy pageant that you need to calculate your vocabulary. If you can handle your vocabulary in Miss Earth, girl, you're gonna win the crown. But if not, just relax and enjoy your teenage life. So stop being a drama queen and just focus in a positive way. Accept defeat. I know we feel sorry for you for not winning the crown, but girl, you must face the reality that there are more candidates deserved in your position, but the Miss Grand International saw potential on you. That's why you advance in second runner-up. I know it's hard for you to accept, but that's the best way to heal the pain in your heart right now. Stop being OA, stop being drama queen, because it will can distract your beauty, because your beauty is already distract, okay? At my one piece of advice to you, don't put too much makeup. You're already beautiful in your natural look. If you put too much makeup and then you remove your makeup, it's a distraction look. You're totally different person in reality. Okay? Kuragan yatay kaday. So ito pa mga karag-karag, itong national director nila nag-cry over the live. Kasi hindi na nila ma-handle yung sitwasyon, yung nangyari, yung mga yung paasa ni Uncle na mauwi nila yung corona. What the heck? Huy! Sure ka? As in national director ng Miss Grand Myanmar? Kung hindi mo ma-handle yung pressure, kung hindi mo ma-handle yung mga ganitong mga eksena sa mundo ng beauty pageant, so your line, it's not in the pageantry. I mean, shit, Kuragan, limited edition good. So, why mag-focus ka na lang ulit doon sa bitaw, Hovaran system galore, na bandara mo pa yung ducks mo na kung makatulong ka sa mga naghihingalo na may mga mattress. Sa mga malabo naming mata na mabigyan ng vitamin C, mineral at potassium at calcium. O, di ba? Marami ka pang mapasaya. Di ba? Hindi lang yung mga matrona na kagaya ko, mga nagminupos na. Of course, ang new ginseng din. Ay, kaloka ka, Kuragan. Kaya, nako, hindi mo linya ang pageantry. Linya mo ang magpakita ng iyong kakisigan, yung kadaks mo na kung saan dahil abot hanggang mattress. Hindi mo talaga linya ang pageantry dahil hindi ka ganun katatag. Paano na lang kung yung buong mundo mangbas sa'yo? Impas galore ka, Jud. Sayang yung ducks mo. Wag yan. Wag mong stressin yan. Ibandara mo yan sa amin. Maging happy pa kami sa'yo at susuportaran ka pa namin. Pero kung sa pageantry ganito yung magiging ugali mo, nako, ekis ka sa amin. Walay, exit agad. Hindi ka isang magandang ehemplo, seryoso to ha. Tapos na yung kabaliwan ng Karagan. Hindi ka isang magandang ehemplo bilang isang national director sa mga kandidatang hahawakan mo. Kasi matroma yung mga kandidatang mahawakan mo. Imbis na iano mo sila, bigyan mo sila ng advice, bigyan mo sila ng motivation kung paano nila harapin yung mga ganitong sitwasyon, ikaw pa yung dumagdag sa stress nila. Ikaw pa yung dumagdag ng trauma nila. Kaya huwag ka nang mag-pageantry kung ganito lang yung ugaling meron ka. Yan lang ay piece of advice ko sa'yo. So, yun lang mga karag-karag at case closed na to. Nagsalita na sila. Ay, nako, ewan ko na lang. Si Angko na lang yung bahala sa kanila. Tayo mag-move on na tayo. Lipad na tayo ngayon sa Miss Earth at sa Miss Universe. May international pa. Ang dami pa nating pagchichismisan. Dahil kung ituon lang natin yung oras at atensyon sa kanila, alam kong kikita ko, pero useless mga karag-karag. Hindi nila deserve na napansinin. Dahil kung papansinin ulit natin sila after nito, nako, maapiltan nila ka-abnormal. Periodiha na mo. Yan ang mga karagaragan yung magiging reaction ninyo dito nga sa case close ng pa-live system ng Miss Grand Myanmar Organization at ng kanilang kandidata. Mag-ingay tayo sa comment section at kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to like and subscribe. Kuragan Karag, ang babaeng lagi nagkarag-karag. And see you in my next vlog. Bye-bye. Pasensya na kayo sa English ko mga karag-karag. Yun talaga yung nakayanan ko. Kayo na magdugtong-dugtong in a correct grammar position.